If your web material like film, foil, or coated web keeps moving left and right, do not blame the guide roller too fast. First, find where the web starts to move. Before this roller, is the web already running to one side? Or is it still straight before the roller and only starts to move after it? This is important. If the web is already off before it reaches the roller, this roller may not be the real starting point. It may only be receiving the problem. But if the web is stable before the roller and unstable after it, then this roller position needs to be checked. Next, look at the path. How does the web come into the roller? How does it leave the roller? Is it coming in straight, or is it already entering at a slight angle? A guide roller can help with web position, but it cannot fix a bad path by itself. If the web enters the roller at the wrong angle, the edge may keep moving even when the guide roller looks normal. Also check how much the web wraps around the roller. If the wrap is too small or the tension on the two sides is not similar, the web may not stay steady. Then look at the roller itself. Are the rollers parallel? Is one side touching harder than the other? Is the rubber surface the same from left to right? On an old rubber-covered roller, one side may be more polished, more worn, dirty, swollen, or slightly out of round. These small changes can make one side grip more than the other. Then the web slowly walks to one side. So when you have web tracking problems, do not only ask which guide roller to use. Start with 3 simple checks: where the web starts to move, whether the path is straight, and whether the roller touches evenly across the full width. If you have drawings, dimensions, old roller photos, roller position, and the problem you see on the line, you can send them to Wolorin. For the full checklist, see the link in the description.